Hello everybody, welcome to Nature Facts. Today I'm bringing everyone to see the cones, the special facts of cone. This is the farm's cone over here. It's beautiful, so gorgeous. Right. We always have the cone in the special row like this. One row, like here, there, in very straight line, like that. This is the irrigation system. We are pumping the water through here, and then we try to put the water almost every day. Right. They got beautiful flowers up on the top, and they got beautiful babies down here. That's so awesome. So beautiful. And have a look with this kind of hair thing here. This is the thing that's going to be very important for this plant, because the pollens up there about the flowers. When these flowers hit with the wind, the pollen will fly and get stuck with the hair of the cone over here, and then the pollen will travel through inside this, and then they will produce very beautiful seeds, very tasty, very tasty. The very important facts of the cones: they will spend 2.5 months to harvest, but in their lifetime they have 11 leaves. Let's check together. Every plant of cones, they have 11 leaves. Let me prove what I mean. So it's got no leaf at the bottom, but you check. One here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 over here, 9, 10, and 11 up on the top of it there. Let's do one more over here. 1 down there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So every cone's got 11 leaves, and then they stop growing up. They reuse the flowers and have the air that produce the air with the hair over there, that reuse the fruit, the seed. That's beautiful. So awesome. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please do not forget to subscribe our channels for more videos later. Thank you very much. Bye bye.